Okay, so now the actual output of confusion matrix is in CM. So the weights are, so we need the, what are the weights? Here we need the response for the whole data and then response in the validation data. So divide the response in the validation data by the whole data. Okay, so that's what's going to give us the weight for response 1. And then you do 1 minus that, and then find the ratio, that's weight for response equal to 0. So we need the two probabilities. We already have prevalence of the whole data, prevalence dot whole, we have that. So we need the oversample, P of oversample is mean of valid 2 dot TF response. Valid 2 dot TF response. Okay. So, and then we can say weight for 1 is P for oversample divided by prevalence whole. So that will give you the weight for class 1, and weight for class 0 is, okay, you need to do 1 minus of each. 1 minus P of oversample, P dot, so what happened here? 1 minus P dot oversample, okay, divided by 1 minus prevalence whole. Why is it not? Okay. All right. So now we have the weights. And we need to find the weights. Okay, so let's look at what happened here. Okay, CM dot what is it? Is it table? Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, so this is your actual, this is your prediction. Actuals are in column, predictions are in rows. So let's get these values out of the that table. So we'll call it C00. The first number is the actual, the second one is prediction. So C00 means actual is 0, prediction is 0 as well. So that would be in CM table. Okay, so that would be the first row and the first column, right? So that's that. So we need 4 of these. Okay. Next is 0, 1. So that is actual is 0, prediction is 1. So actual is 0, prediction is 1. is in second row, first column. Okay. And then actual is 1, prediction is 0, so that is the first row, second column. And then the last will be second row, second column, which is C11. Okay. Now we need to apply the weights, and for the 0 values, so you apply the weights by the actual, right? These two numbers should be divided by the weight for 0. These two numbers should be divided by the weight for 1. So we have C00 and C01, these two, both are actual 0. So our new C00 is going to be C00 divided by weight for 0. Okay. Now C01 would be C01, again this also is weight for 0. Now C10 would be C10 divided by weight for 1, and C11 will be C11 weight for 1. Okay. And then if you add all of them up, you should get n. Okay, and then let's print n to make sure that we have the n value correctly. Okay. So by dividing by the correct weights, now we have the new weights here, and n is 250. So now we have the new confusion matrix. So here we have